Hello, buddy. Let's see how spicy the jalapenos are. They even are spicy. And if they're spicy, I might spray them on it. One split. I'm
gonna try and clip you with the wing. Oh! Way to go, man. Way to go. Way to hit us with that plane. Oh my god! Way to go. I almost felt the wind from the plane that time, Wildcat. Good job. Walker right the puppy! I love how you completely missed everyone but Delirious. Walker right the puppy! Yes, this is like Madagascar. It's a shitty zoo. What kind of zoo holds a cat, a raccoon, an owl, and a fucking random homeless guy? Humans are coming for me. Guys, they're trying to kill me. They're trying to kill me. They're trying to kill me. Help me. Welcome. Help me. Get in the middle. Okay, let me get in the middle. Let me get in the middle.
Nice hot. Nice hot. Belly. Nice hot. I'm gonna change it pretty small. Kind of spicy. Ooh. How?
I don't ever want to leave this cage anymore because I feel safe. It's my home. It's where I belong. It's impenetrable. Nothing can happen. Why do we let the pig join our fucking zoo? Well, hey, sir. Sir, pick me. Pick me. I want to go home. Please. I want to get adopted. Please stop me. I bet you they're going to adopt a cat. They always adopt cats. Such bullshit. I'm a cat. I'm not a cat. I got 2 ears and whiskers. Here's the deal. Only one of us is getting adopted today, okay? So the winner of this brawl gets to be that one animal, okay? Alright, on the count of 3, alright? 1, 2, 3. Ow! 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 Get the fuck out of me! I'm being adopted! I'm being adopted! I'm gonna be a pet owl. Yes. Oh God, Harry Potter's coming. Yeah. Yeah. I'm getting adopted. Yeah. Yeah. Good God. Shh. Oh, do you hear that, racing cat? I heard it. It's a horse. Guys, it's a horse. It's gotta be in one of these windows. Horsey. Horsey. shit! What is it? The generator. Hey, Piggy. I found an unknown mechanical device. Where? Right here. I think it's a barbecue. Oh. It's not a fucking barbecue, you asshole. We're having bacon tonight. Okay, it's time to walk through the tunnel of poop. You're in the sewer now, bitch. Here we go. 1. Yeah! Oh, yes, I made it.
I am so busy. What is going on?
Shut up, poop particle. You don't mean anything in this world. Next hit, I'm gonna die. Next hit, I'm gonna fucking die. Ah! Sorry. This is like that movie, Osmosis Jones. Yeah. We're in the colon. Get close to the loop. Close to the loop. Don't touch it, just get close. Alright. Come on. Close as I can. A little closer. A little closer. This is close. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this poop right here. 1, 2, go! It's finally come sliding around. Jesus, this cab driver's a maniac. Look at him changing lanes. Look at that. He didn't even stop at that stop sign. He's taking us to the pound, man. I don't want to go back to the pound. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, where's he going? Where did you put the waypoint? Did you put it back to the city? Yes. Where's he taking? Where is he going? Sir, where are we going? I do not want to get raccoon net. What the hell? What's going on? Oh, we're gonna die. Watch the train comes. Delirious. You can't understand us, okay? We're animals. Humans don't understand our language. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Oh shit, okay, alright, where are we going? What do you mean alright? What do you mean alright? This magic stuff is crazy. I feel even less safe now. I felt more safe on the railroad. What do you mean we're good? We're not good. Hey, where's he going? It's because we're animals. He dropped us off in the middle of the wilderness. He's coming back. He's coming back. You'll see, he's on the right there. Oh, there he is. He's coming back for us. We didn't pay him. Shit. We didn't pay. He's gonna kill us. Alright. I'm gonna make you guys get a diving raccoon. It's gonna be the most amazing Get the fuck out of the way. Oh, there's a seat. There's a seat. Get the fuck out of the way. Oh, there's a seat. God damn it. What the fuck did he just say? I was about to fall.
Iron Fireball!